Zoll recessed wall mounting box. The metal wall mounting cabinet with an 85 decibel alarm is designed for the Zoll AED Plus. Dimensions: 17.3 by 17.3 by 3.5 inches. The window of the box is made of acrylic. The alarm sounded as soon as you opened the door. However, you can prevent the trigger by blocking the alarm using the key that is included with the package. Let us help you today. Call Happy Medical Supplies at 949-420-9322 or go to www.happymedicalsupplies.com. You can also see the complete information on the description box.